Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can show interstitial ads in our SwiftUI application. So in this playlist you will see how we can initialize mobile ads and how we can show banner ads and how we can show app open ads. So let's go ahead and start. Firstly, I'm going to create my project. Select app here, click next, and I'm going to provide the product name as Interstitial Ads. Okay, so Interstitial Ad SwiftUI. Okay, so click next, create the project, and make sure interface was SwiftUI. Next step is open your ad mob, and let's create our new application there. Select iOS, and you can select whether your application live on App Store or not. Okay, now I have to provide the application name here. I'm going to provide Interstitial Ad SwiftUI. It's the application name. Click Add App. Then it is done. Go to Add Units. Click Get Started. Select here Interstitial Ad. Now we can name our unit as interstitial and application name. You can provide whatever you want here. Then create add unit. Okay. Now it is done. Go to add units here and click email implementation instructions. Click send email. Okay. Now go to your Gmail. Okay, we got the email. Then we have to click on this. Complete the instructions, the Google Mobile Ads SDK guide link. Click it. Okay. Now here we got some instructions. Then open your terminal. We have to navigate to the project folder. So type cd, and currently my project is in my downloads folder. So this one, I'm going to drag this project name to this terminal window. So here I got the project path. Then I can easily navigate to my project. Currently I'm in my project. Then we have to type pod init to initialize the pod file. So let me check my directory now. Here I got the pod file. If you don't know what is this and if you are unable to run this command, that means you have to install Cocoa Pods on your computer. So let's go ahead and see how we can install that also. Cocoa Pods. Go to this link after searching. Now it is providing us this command that allows us to install Cocoa Pods. You can copy this command and run that on your terminal. Okay. Then you will be able to access Cocoa Pod. Alright. So let's go back to our project. Then we can type open -a xcode pod file in the terminal. Otherwise, you can go to the project folder and open this using a text editor. But I prefer this step. Then we have to paste our pod to there in the pod file. So we can copy this thing. Pod Google -mobile -ads -sdk. Yeah. Okay, save that. Now guys, that is it. Next step is in the terminal, you have to type pod install -repo -update. it is adding this Google Mobile Ads SDK to my project now. Okay, now next step is just close your project. Then in your project folder, you will see something like project name.exe workspace. Open that. Okay, so and next step is click this project name, click info, click URL types, click this plus icon to add a new one. Okay, we created our info.plist file. If you hover to your project files, you will see this thing. Right click it, click open as, click source code. Now go back to your documentation of AdWork that you received through the email. Now copy this thing. In this section, update your info.plist and paste that inside this dict keyword. Okay, that's a key. Now we can close this and right click this info.plist file, click open as, and you will see this property list option. Click it. Okay, now open AdMob dashboard again and go to app settings of your application. Copy this app ID. Now in the Xcode, you have to replace this GAD application identifier with that one that you copied. Okay, now it is okay. Now you will see your application name and UI app, a new Swift file is created. Open that. Okay, now you will find a link to a Word document. So you have to take that file from the video description. Okay, this is that Word file. Firstly, you have to copy this import Google Mobile Ads, or just type that in your code in your project. As I mentioned your application name and UI app, the new Swift file. There you have to import that. And secondly, you have to take this code at UI application delegate adapter, that line, and also paste that there. Yeah, I had to copy that. Okay, now finally, this one also. Var app delegate should be right in this line. That's fine. And next step, you will see this class called app delegate. Copy that class and paste that here after this curly brace. That's fine. And in the Word file, you will see this new code for content view in the next page. Okay, so go to your content view, and I'm going to import Google Mobile Ads there also. And I had to copy this AdMob initialize ad thing, paste that inside content view. And next step, I'm going to create a button. So I'm going to copy everything in the V stack, so you can customize this later, and paste that in my code. Okay, now here we have to add this load interstitial add function, but before that, let me remove this padding, so it is providing us some error and also some extra curly brace. Now go back to the Word file and this is the function load interstitial add. Copy that one, and after two curly braces of this load interstitial add calling line, I'm going to paste my function. Okay, now next step, go back to add block dashboard, go to add units, copy this interstitial add id, paste that in this add unit id variable. Okay, now we got another extra curly brace. Actually, it is up to you to fix these braces. So I will include this complete code in the video description, as I mentioned you in the Word file, so you can easily copy. Now let's run this. I got this error, sandbox rsync samda. So what we had to do is just press Command Shift F in our keyboard to search something in our project. So you have to type there enable underscore user underscore script, and you will see this thing. Go to there, and in the build option section, okay, in the build option you will see this user script sandboxing. You have to select no there. So if you don't know where is this file is, this is your project, click it. Then in this project, if you go to build setting, you will able to see this build option sections. So I'm going to select node here and run. Okay, our application is running. Okay, our application is working now. I'm going to click on this show ad button. So that is it. Here our interstitial ad is showing. Okay, now guys, I will include this complete code. Also, I will include complete project in the video description. So it is up to you to customize these things. So okay guys, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.